This is me doing my chores in Montana, in the snow and mud. So we went from being like in the 60s to having a bunch of snow, and now it's melting like crazy. So I'm dealing with massive mud, water, big mess. But that's life in Montana, and I'm used to it. I've only done this for about 30 years now, so I got used to life in Montana. No more fancy white railed thoroughbred fences. Living in Montana. I've got parts of this place that are 100 years old. I wonder how old that post is. That line's pretty old, and that boxcar is over 100 years old. So I imagine it's seen a lot of mud. Here's old Blue. He thinks eating out of a slow feeder is a good thing. Not. Anyway, love hay bags, love slow feeders. It's better than throwing it all in the mud.